Good morning, everybody. Oh, I got the back door on. Good morning, my sheep. Yeah. Couldn't put on the ends before I put this in because this throttles the temperature down of the stove enough to where I can close up these ends with these solid ends instead of curtains. When I had the curtains, I didn't need to throttle it down. The only thing that I regulated was the air intake. Being able to down throttle this further is gonna make these have 12-hour burns. I literally was getting 9-hour burns completely open. It's amazing. Yeah. I got a new water dispenser from a subscriber. The other one swivels for some reason, so that every time that you try to turn it on, it wants to rotate. And it also has a screw-off air release valve that allows for it to flow much quicker. But this one, you don't screw off. This one, it has a spring and you could just press and it increases the flow rate like 10 times, or you can just leave it shut off, and when you turn it on, it's more of a trickle, and it really has helped conserve, like night and day. It's helped conserve my water. This is 2.5 gallons. The other one is almost 4 gallons. I'm gonna keep the other 4 gallon that my other subscriber bought me. I'm gonna wait till I get my cargo rack. I'm gonna plug it into these. It'll be 36-inch out to here by 12-inch, maybe with a little railing, because that larger water tank is 11 inches in diameter and this one's only 9, so this one fits in the end right here, which the other one didn't. See, this one fits in my hallway, so to speak, and the other one doesn't. The other one I have to keep on the other side of my stove, so I have to lift up and take it out each time. The 4 gallon will be better for the cargo rack on the outside. Yeah. Nice having a door I can hide from peeing in the morning. The new roof height is so tall I can just stand up here. I'm standing up straight. I just bend down like 4 inches and I'm able to stand up underneath it. Awesome. Got the ends on. First draft, at least. I just got it duct taped up real quick and I screwed these in. I think that I'm going to, I got like an inch underneath there before the board, so I'm going to take the screws out and raise it and use that added length to bring this out and connect it right here, so that we have an angle that I can recline with inside. I got my stylish bling bling necklace on. Blang blang. Farm life. And windy, I had to put a clip in there to keep it from blowing open. The normal latch isn't holding, and I've had to put 2 stones on the door. Right. There we go. There. Replace the chicken water. All right. Okay, ready? Good sheep. Yeah. Majesty. I bet this is a cool POV with the arms out in front. Point of view. a lot better than the waist. I have to be able to see the back of the screen, and I'm able to see the back of the screen right now. It's like perfect. The waist, I had to bend it forward to see if it was recording, but I can just look down right now and I can see that it's recording, and that's like really nice. I like this necklace so much. Hopefully the viewers do too. Thank you so much to the subscriber that bought it for me. This is 2 cells for sure. Whoa, that just expanded. This is 3 cells, holy cow. Wild onion and minor left side. Oh, there's more left. I'll have to use my scraping spoon. And what's going to be left is going to be really strong though. It's going to be really gooey. Well, I tried to run one of those prickly pears through my juicer, and I forgot they had seeds in them. This thing doesn't process seeds. Come on, iron. It's really strong. I don't see any fine hairs or thorns. And a spoon of juice. Tastes like watermelon juice. Interesting. Tastes healthful. Yes, please, thank you. Healthy. Microbomb. Yeah. I love microbobbing. Microbe dosing. I like microbe dosing. Instead of microdosing, microbe dosing. Kefir cream cheese. Super cultivated. And homeless made kraut. My watermelon cactus juice. Right. Sunny. Got some local liver, local eggs, and some carrots and beets from the food bank.